Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post a long video on TikTok. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your TikTok account, and after that, all you gotta do is click on this plus button which is on the bottom of your screen. Now, you can either post a long video up to 10 minutes from here, or you can also upload a long video and just post it. It's simple and easy. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.